Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Safiyah School and Madrasa. My name is Musama Salma Khatun. My school name is Safiyah School and Madrasa. I read in class 2. Now we will dialogue in English. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Safiyah School and Madrasa. My name is Musama Khatun. My school name is Safiyah School and Madrasa. I read in class 2. Now we will dialogue in English. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What is your name? My name is Musama Salma Khatun. What is your name? Oh, nice name. My name is Musama Khatun. How are you? Alhamdulillah, fine. And you? Alhamdulillah, fine. What class do you reading? I read in class 2. And you? I read in class 2. What is your school name? My school name is Safiyah School and Madrasa. And you? My school name is Safiyah School and Madrasa. Are you a new student? Yes, I am a new student. You are welcome to our school. Thanks. See you again. Thanks. See you again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum.